This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the GME naked shorters are trapped in a GME play. They can't get out. They're doing everything in their power to manipulate the price of the stock. But GME is, in my opinion, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell GME. GME is in such a very strong position financially that all it takes is some good news from Ryan Cohen to force these bad actors to lose everything, okay? And that's just my opinion. Once again, I'm not trying to buy, hold, or sell GME, but the bad actors that are naked shorting GME, that are finding millions of shares to manipulate the price every day, they know that the time is up, and that's why they're doubling and tripling down on the criminality to manipulate the price. I mean, look at the volume. The volume for GME, 56,141,584. Why would they have that type of volume? Why? How? Where did that volume come from? That is the bad actors creating. And here's the thing. That's the bad actors creating orders in order to manipulate the price. And then they had that big buy order after market close. Who did they buy those shares from? Who was selling shares like that after the market close? Nobody. This is the bad actors just creating the counterfeit shares in order to manipulate the price. Those shares, those real shares weren't available. They weren't available. I mean, that's just my opinion. You got to do your own DD and come to your own conclusion. But they're trapped. But the fact that they can do what they want whenever they want with no real consequences is the real problem. It's the real problem. But the fact that GME is sitting on so much cash and they don't have Adam Aaron at the helm, I mean, they know they're in trouble. Those bad actors naked shorting GME, they know they're in trouble. They know any day now it could be the end for them. I mean, they see the train coming down the track. I mean, it reminds me of Johnny Cash, okay? With live at Folsom Prison. You see the train coming. It's coming round the bend. Okay? These guys see the train coming. And they know that they are trapped and they can't get out. They're still claiming 26.78% of the shares of DRS. I tell you guys, those numbers mean nothing because I think they just put that number there just to have something to put. They're claiming 32.7% of that volume was shorted shares. So somehow they found 17,500,000 GME shares to short into the market and manipulate the price. Does anybody care? SEC, DOJ, FBI. Do you care that 17,500,000 GME shares showed up out of thin air? Why don't you ask where the shares came from? Why don't you ask where did they originate? Why don't you get the chain of custody of the shares? But you don't, because you're not concerned about a fair and transparent market. You're only concerned about protecting the 1%, as long as they only rob who? Retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. And they claim they can cover all their GME short positions in 2.86 trading days. Now, I want you guys to think about something. They found 17,500,000 shorts to add in one day. That's more than 4 times the previous days. Yet they claim they can cover all those shorts in less time. Make that make sense. And of course, they're claiming the short interest is only 9.15%. It's probably 100 times higher. I mean, this is financial crime 101. And the DOJ, the FBI, and the SEC are allowing it to go on their watch because they're only robbing retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think they can add 17,500,000 new shorts, yet cover all their short positions in only 2.86 trading days? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.